Okay, I have to talk about this exhaust that I got for my 335 a little while back. Yeah, I spent like $800 on it, $900 on it for the catback that comes with the resonator and muffler, and didn't really do much. And they had to cut that hanger right there, the little thing. When I brought it to the exhaust shop, they're like, yeah, it's the wrong exhaust for the car. I'm like, no, it's the right one. I'm pretty sure. I checked in with everyone, and no one told me the molds that they made all had that piece in the wrong spot. So I don't know why they continue to make like 200,000 of them or whatever, 100,000 of them to have in stock, instead of just changing it and then selling it and making me look weird at the exhaust shop, thinking that I ordered the wrong exhaust for the car. But I did waste a good amount of money for no reason and just ended up cutting it all off anyways. The resonator still, no, actually, nope, the resonator is not in there. So yeah, none of these parts are even connected to the car anymore. Actually, do have the new piping, but the resonator and the muffler aren't there anymore. Yeah, so there's the factory muffler. Here's the vrsf muffler. And there's the resonator. Oh yeah, don't need these anymore. I am using the tips that it came with, but everything else, actually just these two, waste of money. I got all excited and didn't really do much. Here's the video showing every step.